Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Skype. To know how to fix your problem on Skype app, you should just go to settings here on this page. After that we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will search or you will find here. You will go to Skype. Then you click first stop and you click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here in this page we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.